Size, super simple recipes. Number 33. Winter pickles. I'm not usually one for making pickles and preserves. My brother makes some really wicked pickled onions, but I had a little bit of cauliflower left over and half a red pepper. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to pickle these off, because I do like a bit of pickled cauliflower. So you can use almost any type of vinegar, spices, whatever. I'm going to use some distilled clear vinegar, salt, sugar, and for my flavourings I'm going to add a little bit of mustard powder and a little bit of turmeric just to give it a bit of a kick. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to slice this, and we're going to pack these into this kilner jar, and then we'll get on with making up the brine. Okay, so I've packed the cauliflower and the pepper in my little jar and made sure that the lid would still seal. Now we need to make up the brine. A lot of the internet recipes call for really complicated, really boiling hot brine, but I don't feel that that's really necessary. So we start off with 2 big spoons of salt, and like I say, I like things to be easy. To that we're going to put 2 granulated sugar, and I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. That'll be fine, which will give it a nice colour. And then we're going to add enough vinegar, hopefully, to fill that pot, so probably a couple of 100 mils at least, I would have thought. Now, quite a few of these call for you to have this vigorously boiling and what have you. I tend to find that all I need to do is dissolve the salt and the sugar away, and it doesn't need to be wildly boiling to do that. So we'll bring that up gently until the salt and the sugar are dissolved. Then we simply pour it on over the top, leave it for a week, and we'll see what happens. So I'll come back once this has dissolved away all of the bits. You can actually feel the granulated sugar in the bottom, and that is now completely dissolved away, and it hasn't actually boiled at all. Wow. That's a little bit short. Just top it off. A little bit more vinegar. And that can now be left for a week, and it'll be ready to eat. I like the fact that this is reasonably cool, because one of the things I don't want is the vegetables to go soft. I want them to have some crunch to them. There we are. size, super simple winter pickles. Job done.